So I'm attempting a Poolish style crust pizza. And so this is 50%, 50%. So this is half water, half flour, and a pinch of yeast and 3 grams of honey mixed together, like almost like a wet batter, sort of. So I'm letting that sit out for about an hour, and then I'll refrigerate it for 16 to 18 hours. All right, so this is what it looks like. Should have waited to put the cellophane on here. So after it's been out for an hour, set out for an hour. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge for 12 to 16 hours or 18, however, when I can get to it. I've got, this is my Poolish. Ignore my messy kitchen. But I don't know how this is going to work. It doesn't look great, and it only uses 60 more grams of water, but 200 more grams of flour. So you're supposed to, so this is supposed to do like this. And so I don't know. Mix the Poolish into the water to loosen it up. I don't know. I have no idea. So this loosens it up, and then you put the rest of the flour. 200 grams is what I've got here. Put that in there, and the salt. So it's 10 grams. It says fine sea salt. I don't have that. All I've got is table salt. But so hopefully it'll work. But anyway, you're supposed to make this into a shaggy dough. Now this is wetter than what I'm used to using. So if I use a New York style dough or something like that. So we're gonna move this chair out of the way. But yeah, so that's pretty. I guess it's working. I mean, we'll see. The idea is the cold fermentation. So we don't want to need this. You're supposed to turn it out onto the surface. Got my dough mat here that needs to be ironed out. So we're gonna. So this is a shaggy dough, right? So, but you're not supposed to knead it. You're supposed to let it. You just let it. You cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. So. Okay, so what I decided to do is mix it just a little bit better so that it looks more like that. And then I'm just going to cover it with a towel and let it sit for 30 minutes like it says in the instructions. Hand's kind of wet so it wouldn't stick so bad. I got a different mat, so hopefully. So I think you're supposed to hold it down, stretch, and fold, right? So that's what I'm doing. Kind of get it loose off of here. Stretch and fold. Stretch and fold. We'll do one more. Stretch and fold. Alright, so now we wait 15 minutes for that one. I can feel it getting smoother as I do that. After the last stretch and fold, you're supposed to divide it. So immediately after. So I've got the scale here. So we'll put that in the fridge, and we'll come back here in 48 hours, and we'll make some pizza. So I was looking at the crust, and it's airy. It's got holes in it, so it's got some air in it, but it's not quite what I was hoping for. But it probably eats good. We'll find out. But just wanted to show the back of that. So maybe, I don't know, maybe my steel. Yeah, I was expecting a whole lot bigger volume. So biting into it is quite airy, but it's a little salty. So of course I didn't have any sea salt. I just have regular table salt. So maybe that's the problem. But it tastes good, and it's light and airy. It's just a little chewy on the bottom. I think that the cast iron steel does that, makes it like that. So anyway, tastes good. So not a total loss. Difference this time is I've got a stone in here instead of steel. So I'm gonna use the stone, see how it turns out. Just like that. Beautiful. Alright, kind of look at it a little bit. Oven's a mess. Something that got spilled in here a long time ago. Stone did make it lighter on the bottom. So, but the edges are a little, I don't know, maybe just my oven, but they're hard. So I'll put it that way, it's not soft like I was hoping. And I didn't get enough, I didn't seal off this. It just didn't turn out the way I was hoping. I was hoping it'd be more airy. I mean, there's some air in there, but not what I wanted. I think my original pizza dough recipe is the way to go. This one, oh well.